Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the Tuesday morning haul. First, before I show you that, just want to show you I got this from the Dollar Tree, which I thought was really cute. Wake, Pray, and Slay. Slay them demons. So I got one for me and one for a friend. So I'm just going to go through real quick all the items I got, and I will let you know the SKU as well. And of course, you can call the 1-800 product hotline and type in the SKU number and your zip code, and it will let you know if you have it at your store. Every now and then, some dies and some embossing folders and things like that maybe have the same exact SKU number, so sometimes that doesn't help. But I usually give the SKU number so that we can call the 1-800 number and see if it's in the area. So I'm going to first start with the sequence mix, and this one is Brights, and it is 1958839. So the only thing that's going to change is the last two digits. So this is called Brights, and it's $1.99. So this one is the ending number is 39, so it's 1958839. So this one is called Pink, and the last two digits is 41. This one is called Aqua. The last two digits is 42. This one is called Mermaid, and the last two digits is 37. This one is called Pastels, and the last two digits is 38. And this one is called Blue, and the last two digits is 40. So the blues and the aquas and the mermaids, and look at them a little closer, look kind of similar. I did get one Stamp Fitness House Mouse stamp for $3.99, and it's called Shell Search. Shell, S-H-E-L-L Search. And it is 1974791. And Gracie is to blame for getting us all in love with House Mouse. So check out her channel. And she had a collab. She has a collab going on. I did get the Recollections paper milk cartons, and they're $1.99. This is a 12-pack, and then they have the 24-pack. The 12-pack is colored, and this is red, my favorite color. And the number is 2000323. So I just thought these would be nice to have on handy, quick. I can't make these, but just to have them real quick, stuff something in them. And then this is the white one, and this one is 2000328. And again, this is a 24-pack, and they come in white. Also, a nice gift to give to someone as well. And I did get this Vintology, excuse me, by Hampton Arts. And I don't believe I have this one. I'm not sure, but this is the butterfly one, and with the stencil, and it's $3.99, and it's 1988231. So those are the nice butterflies. And then you get a hexagon or beehive type stencil. I did get two of the nibs. It says craft nib holder, and I'm hoping that they will fit my Spectrum Award. They look like they would. So if your dibs on your markers, no, Lord have mercy. That's what it, yeah, that's my nib holder. But anyway, I was thinking, my mind was thinking something else for a second. But anyway, you can use these, so hopefully, to make custom markers with paints, chalks. This says use the craft nib holder with a craft nib to make custom markers with paints, chalks, dye inks, pigments, ink, watermarks, resist inks, and embossing ink. Craft nib replacements are available in packs of 10 brush tip nibs. Also, this is, it's a nib tip, but you can make your own customized color. Anyway, I had to see, because I was wondering what this holder was, this clear holder. Oh, I see. So you stick the nib inside the clear holder, and you have your own little wand. So you can put something down on your mat and make your own color and use it. But anyway, I got two of these, $1.99, and it's 1950436. Picked up a couple Bo Bonnie dies. I'm debating on a couple of them. like these two right here. I thought they were a little pricey. This is Twinkle Twinkle. It's $4.99. So this is a strip border, and it's probably about 6 inches maybe. About 6 inches long, about 1.5 inches wide, and it's just stars. And it is 2004095. So again, the last 2 digits would be the only thing different in the Bo Bunny die collection. So this is 95. This one is 98. And this is $5.99 for these 2 small little trees. So I'm debating on that one, but they're cute. Again, it's 200, and then it's 4098. So the only 2 digits different is 98. So that tree has hearts, and that tree has stars. But I thought you could do some cute little things with those. And then this one, $5.99, 2004100, and this is Ever After. So you can see that nice size set. And this, I would imagine, is about 6 inches by 5. It looks big, yeah. And I should have pulled out my ruler. But anyway, that's what it looks like. So it says Happily Ever After and Mr. and Mrs. And you've got the flower and the bow and the border. So this is a 5-piece set for $5.99. I like the color. And then this is a 9-piece set for $5.99. And this one is called Picnic, 2004097. So you can see all the different picnic pieces. Nice summertime theme. Today's 4th of July. Been perfect for that. And then lastly, I already have the 6x6 paper. That's the only reason why I got this to go with it. And this is $3.49. And this is called Balloon by MME, My Mind's Eye. The number here, it also have ephemera. It's 1995859. So this is 8 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock paper and coordinated sticker sheet with gold foiled accents. So you can see at the top what those 8 sheets look like. And that is the little sticker set. And then I just got some chipboard. They didn't have the paper collection. I was hoping I could find the paper that goes with this, and hopefully I will, because I will get it. But anyway, I got 2 of these, $1.99, and it's called Yes Please by Jen Allison, MME, My Mind's Eye, and it is $1995853. And it's black and gold, and it has Party, XOXO, Wonderful, Hello, Best, some numbers, Sweet, Such a Beautiful Soul, Love, Celebrate, Happy Days. And it also has, you know, somewhat of a masculine feel with the bow ties on it and stuff, but yet it's still soft enough that you can use it for either. So I like that. And then I got 2 of this one. This one's in craft. I didn't realize it was in craft, but this is another My Mind's Eye, Hey Mistress. So I got some of the other embellishments that goes along with it. I don't have the paper collection though. And this one is 1995847. Yeah, different numbers. Very masculine, and I like that. So that is it for this TM haul. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.